Some people say that it is very difficult to come to this conclusion that I become everything. I become the thought, I become the sound, I become the sight. And especially the sight, because sight is the variety that you experience. So much diversity in form of sight. I would say sight is one of the most distracting thing, or you can say it is one of the most powerful weapon of Māyā, a powerful weapon for illusion, because you see so many things and everything is diverse, different colors, different forms. So today we are going to go through this meditation to understand. Now if you see me inside you. You know the story that if you are seeing me, you are seeing just a reflection of this body inside your eyes. I always request, try to do it practically. Don't try to understand it. You will never understand it. You will never understand that is spiritual, and never try to understand. Try to live it. Try to experience it. So let's try to experience it. When I close my eyes, the world disappears. All the colors disappear. Yes? Now, what you see after closing your eyes? Don't say that I don't see anything. You see this darkness. If you are sitting under the sun or well-lit place, you may see certain reddishness, but you are seeing this darkness. You cannot say that I cannot see anything. You are seeing this darkness. Like earlier, if you open your eyes, you see the world, now you see the darkness. When you close your eyes, you see the darkness, but you are still seeing. Now, when you are seeing this darkness, answer this question. Where the seeing is happening? So there are three things: seer, seeing and seen. Seen means this darkness, seer means the one who is seeing it, and then the process of seeing. So there are three things, right? You all agree that there are the three things: seer, seen and seeing. Now, inside you right now, can you identify the place where seeing is happening? Is this place of seeing different from the seen? The seen means this darkness, this reddishness. Is the seeing is different from the seen? Try to see. The seen is not different from the seeing. Is the seeing and seen are happening at different places? No. The experience says that seeing and the seen is happening at the same place. Now try to find out the seer. Again tell me, where is the seer? Try to locate the seer and then answer question, is the seer is different from the seeing? The experience will tell you that the seer and the seeing and the seen are happening at exactly the same place and exactly the same time. I cannot differentiate between the seer, seen and the seeing. And it will be safe to say that seer, seeing and seen are one. That means I can say that I am this darkness. I am no different from this darkness. This darkness is me. And I am this darkness. Now, just open your eyes very slightly. I would say just half a millimeter, so that just a little bit light start filtering. So open half a millimeter just, and you see this. Now you see this light filtering inside and this greyishness. You can also see hairs on your eyelids. So you see this, you experience this. Now again ask this question: where this seeing is happening? Is the seer of this seen and the seeing, three are at different places or at the same place? The answer will be that the seen, the seeing and the seer, they all are at the same place here and now. You cannot differentiate. Now again close your eyes and again go back to the same experience, that this darkness, then the seeing of this darkness and the seer of this darkness, they are the same. So I become the darkness again. While in the previous experience, I became this greyish light. Now, again, open your eyes around 1 millimeter, slightly more. You can watch the tip of your nose. Now again ask this question: where is the seeing happening? And where is the position of the seer? Can you differentiate between the seen, seer and the seeing? Close your eyes. Again, you come to the same experience that this darkness, the seeing of the darkness and the seer of the darkness are identical. Now you open your eyes and you see the world. You see the space, you see the things around you. So many multiplicity of experience, and your mind starts intervening, explaining about different things that are in front of you. But just ignore your mind for some time and try to understand where the seeing is happening. Is the seeing happening inside you, or the seeing is happening here and now? The answer will be, the seeing is happening here and now. And where is the seer? Is the seer behind these eyes, or the seer here and now? Close your eyes again. Again you see the darkness. We have already established that I am the darkness. So now I am the darkness. When I open my eyes, I am the light. I am the world. When I close my eyes, I am the darkness. I have absorbed the world inside me. In fact, you always remain as this Chaitanya, which is undivided. Everything which seems to be appearing and disappearing is coming out of this Chaitanya only. This is what our experience is.